Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use sound recognition on your iPhone or iPad on iOS 15. So let's get start the video without wasting any time. So before we start the video guys, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more upcoming videos. So first of all guys, open your iPhone or iPad setting, then click on click on accessibility, then click on sound recognition. As you can see here, turn it on. Make sure that you have turned on the Wi-Fi. It will download some file. Then guys, you will get the sound option. Click on sounds and click on sound fire, siren, cat, dog. By turning on these guys, if the cat is shouting back in the background, your iPad will let you know that the cat is shouting. There is sound of the cat. So by this method you will be aware of anything happening in the background. So hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.